Question 141. Read the given statements. How many of them are correct? Statements A, B, C, D and E are given and we have to find out how many of them are correct. Let's analyze statements to find out which one is correct and which one is not. Statement A reads, diaphragm contracts during inspiration. This is a true statement. During inspiration, the diaphragm undergoes contraction which increases the volume of thoracic cavity. Statement B, relaxation of external intercostal muscles lift sternum upwards and outwards. The lifting of sternum upwards and outwards occurs due to contraction of external intercostal muscles and not relaxation. So this is incorrect. Statement C, partial pressure of CO2 in atmospheric air is higher than that in the alveoli. So O2 diffuses from atmospheric air into alveoli. This is true because the gases diffuse along their concentration gradient, that is from higher concentration to lower concentration. And PO2 in air is greater than PO2 in alveoli. Thus, the oxygen would diffuse from air to alveoli, that is higher concentration to lower concentration. So this is a true statement. Option D, during forceful inspiration, abdominal muscles contract. This is also a true statement. The abdominal muscles aid in forceful expiration. Statement E, inspiration in mammals is a passive process. This is not right. The inspiration in mammals is an active process. The statement E is incorrect. So among the given statements, statement A, C and D are correct, means 3 statements are correct. Thus the correct answer would be option number 3, which states 3. Question 142. Pneumotaxic center is present in medulla, pons, cerebellum, forebrain. 2 centers that are worth mentioning and are important with respect to regulation of the respiration in human body is pneumotaxic center and respiratory rhythm center. The pneumotaxic center is situated in pons, whereas the respiratory rhythm center is located in medulla oblongata. The pneumotaxic center that is present in the pons region of the hindbrain moderates the respiratory rhythm center located in medulla. The neural signals generated from respiratory rhythm centers, these signals can reduce the duration of inspiration and thus alter the respiratory rate, helping in the regulation of respiration. Thus the location of pneumotaxic center is pons. The correct answer would be option number 2, pons. Question 143. Hepatic portal circulation existing between the digestive tract and liver involves hepatic portal vein carrying blood from intestine to the liver, hepatic portal vein carrying blood from liver to the intestine, hepatic portal artery carrying blood from gallbladder to liver, hepatic portal artery carrying blood from pancreas to liver. A special vascular connection exists between intestine and liver, and this is called as hepatic portal circulation. The hepatic portal circulation consists of a portal vein, and this portal vein carries blood from intestine to the liver before it is finally delivered to the heart. Thus it exists between intestine and liver. The correct option would be option number 1. That is the vein carrying blood from intestine to the liver. That's the right answer. Option number 2, that carries blood from liver to the intestine, would be incorrect, and there's no such thing as hepatic portal artery, so that makes it incorrect. Correct answer is 1. Question 144. Which of the following disorders is often referred to as atherosclerosis? Heart failure, heart attack, coronary artery disease, cardiac arrest. Let's try to understand all of the mentioned disorders of heart. The heart failure is the state of the heart when the heart is not pumping the blood effectively, and thus the needs of the body are not met. Heart attack is when the muscles of the heart are damaged, and this happens suddenly due to inadequate blood supply. The coronary artery disease, often referred to as atherosclerosis. And in atherosclerosis, the vessels that supply blood to the heart muscle is affected. It is caused due to deposition of calcium, fat, cholesterol, and fibrous tissue in the arteries, which causes its narrowing. Cardiac arrest means complete stoppage of heartbeat. Thus, the disorder which is referred to as atherosclerosis is coronary artery disease. The correct answer is option number 3. Question 145. The part of loop of Henle which is impermeable to water is, let's understand the permeability of the two limbs of loop of Henle with respect to water and electrolytes. The ascending limb of loop of Henle, which is this part, is not permeable to water but is permeable to electrolytes. Thus it leads to concentration. Whereas the descending limb of loop of Henle, which is this part, is permeable to water but not permeable to electrolytes and would lead to dilution. So ascending limb is impermeable to water. Thus the correct answer would be option number 2, ascending limb of loop of Henle. And option number 3, PCT and collecting duct are permeable to water. So the right answer is 2.